In this section, you will see that is required to create and deploy serverless projects from your machine all the way to AWS cloud. For that, the very important tool is AWS SAM. You're going to learn what AWS SAM is and how it will allow us to deploy not only our Lambda functions, but the entire infrastructure that is required for our Lambdas to work just with a single command and a configuration file. You will then move on to set up a IAM user with programmatic access and command line access so that we can use that IAM user with the AWS and SAM command line utilities. So first you create a IAM user, then you will install AWS and SAM command line utilities on your machine. Then you will configure the AWS CLI to use the IAM user you have created in the previous lecture. And then you will move on to install the Java side of things. You will install Java, Maven and Eclipse as a developer, and Postman for testing the RESTful APIs, which you will be building later on in the course. And optionally, you can install Visual Studio Code because you're going to learn AML syntax. If you already know AML, you can skip this lecture. But AML is very important. It is the configuration syntax that we'll be using throughout the course. So all of that starting with what AWS SAM is in the next lecture.